You can't go very far on your spiritual journey if you don't understand the concept of unity. This is a very intense spiritual talk, so if you're not ready, just scroll because it's very deep. The creator create everything. Imagine like the creator like a human body, all right? The human body is the creator and nothing exists outside of this human body. The creator has different kind of cell in his body and organs and veins and everything else, right? Imagine like the system that works perfectly. So imagine yourself and everything else you can perceive with your naked eye or not, being a cell of the creator. So nothing exists outside this body, everything is contained in this body. But having you consciousness inside the creator, you are aware to be a different cell. For example, you know how the brain has a cell that are neurons, right? And then there is the cell of the heart, which is a particular kind of muscular cell, and then there is the stomach, and then there is the spleen. There is many different kind of cell. Now imagine each one of the cell being a spiritual being or a dog or cat. And the beautiful thing is that each one of the cell has a specific job in the body of the creator. For example, the heart pump blood and has the job of keeping this body alive, right? The neurons are in charge for movement and taking choice. The liver detox the body. You understand like each one of us has a specific function? And there is a reason why the human body, it is what it is. Because so above, so below, and so below, so above. The secret of nature are the secret of the universe and the plan, the blueprint of the creator. Now, when you arm with your action, your thoughts, and your word another being, this one may be a tree, this one may be a cat, a dog, your brother, your sister, literally as a human being, brother, sister, you have to understand that you are arming a cell that is part of you because you are part of the body. The human body is a system. If for some reason I decide to go after all the cells that make my liver, I'm gonna die. And I want you to understand this, not just because you should see, the light of God in the creation. So when you arm a tree, when you kill a spider, when you arm an animal in general, or when you do a bad action to your brother and sisters. But even to understand that this being that is God, right, this body that is God, has inside the energy of chaos as well, which they have the specific function. When we fight, it's against us. If you're struggling to recognize the light of God and to really interiorize the concept of unity, imagine this blue bright light inside the heart of everything you see. Like start with your peers, start with your human fellow. It's in your co-workers, the ones you may not like, your family members, the stranger in the street. It's in the trees, it's in your dogs, it's in the birds. Once you start to see the light and see the same light in your heart, then you can understand how division, it's the worst things you can do. Hoping that other human beings and other things will suffer for revenge, for anger, is just harming yourself. And this is the best way I can explain to you, but your spiritual journey will not be complete until you interiorize this concept to your core. All right? Let me know if you have any questions.